What's up, guys? I looked all over for a video how to stream my screen on my iPhone 10, and I found out the best way after doing my research. It took a while, couldn't find anything good. I use Omelet Arcade right here in the middle. So what you want to do is go to your app store there and download Omelet Arcade. Right there. Now, when you first download it, you'll have to make an account. Super easy. And then what you're going to do is link your YouTube right there. I got my YouTube linked right there. Once you link your YouTube, see, I can choose unlink. Once you link your YouTube, then you go to next. And you can set up your stream, whatever game you're using at the top there, your description, your title, your description. You can go to stream settings. You can change it from portrait to landscape. And you can put border overlays on, like right here. You can change themes. You can earn free coins to get different overlays. You can see in the top right corner, this one has my profile picture right there and my name for Curl YT. So once you set up a stream, you get all your stuff in. You go to done. And you click on broadcast. Once you click on broadcast, you click on Omelet Arcade and start broadcast. Click on your screen, wait for the red recording symbol to show up in the upper left-hand corner, and then you just go to keep Omelet Arcade running and go to whatever game you want to live stream. And your chat will show up at the top in the form of notifications. So when people are chatting with you, you can respond to them in real time. Like somebody could say, "What's up?" And I could say, "What's up? How you doing? Thanks for joining the stream." It took me a while to figure out how to live stream my screen on iPhone. This is for 2020. Just because there wasn't really any good tutorials or anything out there. So I hope this helps you. Omelet Arcade's the best thing I found so far. And then to stop your broadcast, you just scroll down to your control panel. Alright, one thing you're going to have enabled on your iPhone is this record button down here on the bottom on your control panel. So the way you get that there, if you don't already have it, is you go to settings. And then we're going to go to control center. Customize controls, and you can add things. So you scroll down to screen recording, and you make sure that you have screen recording set up on your control panel. And that ought to do it for you.